case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
It was during a deployment in Italy for combat missions over Bosnia that the commander of the 90th Fighter Squadron crossed the line. Engaging in an inappropriate relationship with a subordinate, First Lieutenant Julie Clem landed the Air Force commander in court. For such misconduct, he found himself convicted of disorderly conduct and conduct unbecoming an officer. But this was far from being the final chapter in the saga. Disputing the validity of the charges and the sufficiency of the evidence, the commander sought to appeal the conviction, his case landing on the desk of the United States Court of Appeals for the Armed Forces. Limited to an examination of purely legal arguments, the court was tasked with discerning whether a reasonable fact-finder could have established all the essential elements of the charges beyond a reasonable doubt. A central question of the appeal was about the clarity of the charges. The commander argued that Charge 2 was vague, as it failed to identify a relevant service rule or custom prohibiting relationships between officers. In a strategy that looked to the Constitution, the commander's defense pointed out that Article 133 of the UCMJ did not explicitly mandate proof of violation of a specific service regulation or custom. Yet it was a strategy that ultimately proved unsuccessful. The court held firmly that the Constitution did not necessitate the establishment of a service regulation or custom. The military judge had already provided detailed guidance on interpreting the charges, pointing to relationships that spawned an appearance of unfairness, favoritism, or impropriety as being the problematic conduits of disgrace. In a decisive moment for the commander's fate, the court upheld the conviction. The prosecution presented a treasure trove of evidence that the defense couldn't dispute. This included a comprehensive 4-volume investigating officer's report and a bill of particulars, both of which painted a damning picture of the commander's conduct. As the gavel fell, the lower court's decision was affirmed for a second time, a stark reminder of the standards expected of those who serve in uniform.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.